we in Metropolitan National SACCO promise to continue to do business with you, even at this time with other financial institutions will be unwilling to listen to you.
Our continued dominance in credit management within the SACCO subsector. Last year during the International Day of Cooperatives, our SACCO was recognized and awarded for being the best in credit management nationally, that is, in the whole Republic of Kenya. This recognition was as a result of continued support and the visionary leadership from the management. During our review, the Society Credit Function, we noted that there is great improvement, especially on adherence to the existing credit policy.
In terms of growth, we saw the SACCO's assets grew to 13 billion, and that is the 6th in the Republic of Kenya. It became SACCO number 6 in terms of total asset base, and that is not mean achievement. We welcome the move by the Teacher Service Commission to increase the teacher salaries. In fact, I'm not a unionist, but I would say teachers are very lowly paid, and we would welcome any news that touches on an increase in salaries.